Hello, my name is Brian. I'm a tour guide at UMass Amherst, and I want to tell you a little about myself and why I love UMass. I am a sophomore from Pennsylvania, so originally outside Philadelphia, studying kinesiology and psychology. When I'm not a tour guide, I'm also a member of the Honors College here at UMass, as well as the social media chair and vice president of the club gymnastics team. I do a bit of work with the UMass Dance Company. I've served as a diversity panelist for the School of Public Health and Health Sciences, as well as have been recently inducted into a research assistant position in a physical activity and movement lab for the fall, which I'm super excited about. I just want to tell you a little bit more about why I love UMass so much. So as an out-of-state student, I was a little bit nervous coming in just because most people are from Massachusetts, and I was a little nervous I wouldn't really be able to make friends, but honestly, I've never been happier since I got here. I made friends immediately. I wasn't hard. I never felt like I was on the outside, and the school was big enough where I could kind of make everything as small as I wanted and have my own separate groups from other people. I never felt like I was on the outside. Everyone was so welcoming, so warm and friendly. Another great thing, obviously, about UMass, if you don't know, we have been voted #1 dining for the past 5 years, which is awesome because I know the food is a big draw when it comes to colleges. This isn't just because of how good the food is, but also how much we cater to our students. There's a lot of different dietary restrictions that are catered to. It's gluten-free, vegetarian, vegan, halal, kosher, anything you could want they have at UMass. They also list all the all the allergens in the food with little plaques and the nutrition facts, so we really make it accommodating. We also celebrate a lot of great things. We have a great Lunar New Year going on. Every Halloween we have steak and lobster for every student. Not a lot of schools can say they do that. A lot of really great made-to-go foods such as sushi, stir fry, sandwiches, pasta bars, literally anything you could want, you could absolutely get there. I didn't appreciate this as much, but one of the things that we did leading up to the Super Bowl was when the New England Patriots were against the Philadelphia Eagles. UMass actually stopped serving all Philadelphia cream cheese going into it, which I thought was really funny because the Eagles did end up winning, but it just shows how spirited we are and how much we care. Another great thing that I do love about UMass is how you never feel like you have to change who you are or not pursue something you're interested in. I really struggled with this in high school. I was really into arts and athletics, but when I came to UMass, I saw everyone was doing both, and everyone was loving it and supporting it, and no one felt like they were being judged for it. So I absolutely loved that. I'm on the club gymnastics team, and they're honestly some of my closest friends. We'll go out to the dining halls after practices all the time. We'll hang out, we'll watch movies together, and it's just a great time. I have so much fun. I love my team so much, and I love the school. But not even that, just when it comes to the academic side as well. I really struggled my first semester at college. The adjustment was really difficult for me, and I had to end up repeating a course. My advisors and my professors were super understanding and working with me. I was able to go work with them in office hours. I was able to talk back and forth with them. My advisor helped me pick classes in order for me to stay on track with my major, as well as succeed. And just overall, they did a wonderful job supporting me with not only tutoring, office hours, one-on-one sessions, supplemental work I could need if I came into my professor and was like, I still don't quite get this. Is there any other things you can do? They gave me a lot of great resources to help me figure it out. Especially with this pandemic, a lot of professors have been really understanding about everything. Many of my professors are constantly checking in on our well-being and offering like extra hours in case we need to talk to them. And I love the school so much. It's so supportive. Everyone here is so friendly. Everyone loves being here. You can really see that no one here doesn't want to be at UMass. Everyone is super excited. Everyone is super happy. And there's just so many things. It's so easy to get involved as well. I was a little nervous. I didn't think I was going to get into research just because I know it's so competitive at other places, but I've literally found it so easy. My advisor will email us weekly about research and job opportunities. The school has its own offices to help you find research, as well as your own schools have the research for each individual college. I've never felt more supported in my life, and I really hope that you guys feel the same way and pick UMass.